4 new NCRPO district directors will have to meet the standards set for them by the PNP leadership. They are Senior Superintendents Joel Pagdilao and Rolando Nana, and Chief Superintendents Jose Erwin Villacorte and Jonathan Ferdinand Miano. Their predecessors were relieved reportedly as part of the reinvigorated anti-criminality campaign in Metro Manila. This report.
The relief on the 4 district directors of the National Capital Region Police Office may serve as a warning on non-performing officials. PNP-PIO Chief Senior Superintendent Wilben Bayor said that police officials must put in mind that they have to meet with the standards set by the police leadership. Bayor stated that they have an audit performance to achieve or else they might get removed from their posts.
Yun ang message ng ating kalihim na dapat ma-reinvigorate yung campaign against criminality, no? At yung itinilaga ngayon ay merong challenge sila na dapat pagbutihin pa nila yung kakampanya laban sa krimen. Otherwise, pag hindi nila na-meet nga yung standard ng ating kalihim, then definitely ay silang kasunod.
Bayor explained that every official has his own scorecard subject for a weekly check. It should appear to the scorecard that a police official must constantly lessen the incidents of crime in his area.
Basta ang aim mo doon, pababaan mo yun. Ngayon, kung hindi mo na pababa yun, nag-10 ka, 10 pa rin, ay medyo hindi mo na-reach yung target na yun. Pero hindi naman siya tumaas. Pero pantay ka lang. But ang bottom line doon, hindi mo na-meet yung standard na yun.
And as far as the standard of DILG Secretary Maroas is concerned, which he used as a barometer in removing the 4 district directors from their positions, it would really turn out that the concerned officials failed to meet the DILG chief standard.
Ang nag-set dito ng standard mismo yung Secretary Rojas siya mismo So based dun sa evaluation niya nga, then hindi na meet yung standard na yun. Siguro sa standard na yun. Local ito NCRPO. But on the part ng sa national, nag-decide ang ating kalihim na hindi nga pumasa doon sa standard na yun. Base sa kanya.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.